A digital single-lens reflex camera, DSLR, is a type of digital camera that combines the optics and mechanisms of a single-lens reflex camera, SLR, with a digital sensor. DSLRs typically use interchangeable lenses, which give photographers more flexibility than fixed-lens cameras. How DSLRs works? When you take a picture with a DSLR, light travels through the lens and into the camera body. The light hits a mirror, which reflects it up through the viewfinder. The viewfinder is a small window that allows you to see the scene you are framing. The light then passes through a prism, which splits it into different colors. The colored light then hits the image sensor, which is an electronic device that converts the light into a digital signal. The digital signal is then processed by the camera's computer and stored on a memory card. Advantages of DSLRs. 1. Interchangeable lenses. DSLRs allow you to use a variety of lenses, which gives you more flexibility in the types of photos you can take. You can use a wide-angle lens for landscapes, a telephoto lens for wildlife photography, or a macro lens for close-up shots. 2. Large image sensors. DSLRs typically have larger image sensors than point-and-shoot cameras. This means that they can capture more light, which results in better image quality in low-light conditions. 3. Manual controls. DSLRs offer a wide range of manual controls, which gives you more control over the way your photos look. You can adjust the aperture, shutter speed, and ISO to control the depth of field, exposure, and noise in your photos. 4. Viewfinder. The viewfinder on a DSLR allows you to see the scene exactly as it will appear in your photo. This is especially important for framing your shots and ensuring that everything is in focus. Disadvantages of DSLRs. 1. Size and weight. DSLRs are typically larger and heavier than point-and-shoot cameras. This can make them more difficult to carry around, especially if you are traveling. 2. Complexity. DSLRs can be more complex to use than point-and-shoot cameras. This is because they offer a wider range of manual controls. If you are a beginner photographer, you may need to spend some time learning how to use a DSLR before you can take advantage of all of its features. 3. Cost. DSLRs are typically more expensive than point-and-shoot cameras. This is because they have more advanced features and higher quality components. Who should use a DSLR? DSLRs are a good choice for photographers who want more flexibility and control over their images. They are also a good choice for photographers who need to take high-quality photos in low-light conditions. If you are a beginner photographer, you may want to consider starting with a point-and-shoot camera before moving on to a DSLR. However, if you are serious about photography and you are willing to put in the time to learn how to use a DSLR, then it can be a rewarding experience. DSLR versus mirrorless cameras. Mirrorless cameras are a newer type of digital camera that is similar to DSLRs, but they do not have a mirror. This makes them smaller and lighter than DSLRs, but it also means that they do not have a viewfinder. Mirrorless cameras use an electronic viewfinder, EVF, instead of a traditional viewfinder. An EVF is a small screen that displays the scene you are framing. Mirrorless cameras are becoming increasingly popular, but they still have some disadvantages compared to DSLRs. For example, EVFs are not as good as traditional viewfinders in low-light conditions. Additionally, there are not as many lenses available for mirrorless cameras as there are for DSLRs. Conclusion. DSLRs are a versatile and powerful type of digital camera that offers a wide range of features and benefits. They are a good choice for photographers who want more control over their images and who need to take high-quality photos in a variety of conditions. However, DSLRs are also larger, heavier, and more expensive than point-and-shoot cameras. If you are a beginner photographer, you may want to consider starting with a point-and-shoot camera before moving on to a DSLR.